be the start of the bull market. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Eric with BULLISH Training Academy. Thank you for tuning in to another YouTube video of mine. If you haven't already yet, make sure you click that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you also click that notifications bell. Keep notified with every single video that I post. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly what my game plan is going to be going into next week's trading week. And I'm also gonna give you guys a breakdown of certain stocks you can start actually buying equity on. So you guys, let's get right into it and let's roll. In this video, I'm gonna be going over a few stocks I'm gonna be watching going into next week's trading week. Also, I'm gonna be going over certain stocks that you can start actually buying equity up on. Guys, this is gonna be a very, very important video. So make sure you have a piece of paper and a pen to write down certain levels I'm going to be watching going into next week's trading week on the few stocks I'm going to be watching, and also the stocks that I'm planning to buy up long term on. Now, you guys, I'm not ready to just pull the trigger on investing long term in the stocks just yet, just because within the next month to month and a half, I do see a bigger drop coming in the market. Now, again, you guys, with every bear market, you have to understand how the stock market really runs and works. With every bear market we've had, we have seen a bull market, a temporary bull market in the incoming. So again, with the Christmas rally everybody's expecting, we could see a massive move up in the market. Okay, there's no surprise to it, you guys. But again, where the big time investing comes and where you can make a crap ton of money, and I'm talking about within a 1 to 2 year span, is buying up equity, because they don't have time decay. You're not buying up, long-term options stock contracts where, your contracts expire either at the end of the month or in a couple months or in a year. I think the best investment opportunity is to really do the Warren Buffett strategy when it comes down to buying the bottom of the market. Now, I'm not saying you're going to buy the absolute bottom of the market, but what I am saying is that this is a time right now you can start investing into certain stocks where, yes, I do believe we've reached a certain bottom in. So starting off with the S&P 500, SPY, this is one of my major ETF stocks that I love trading every single day in. They're 99% of the time you will see me in my group chat on my Discord when I'm sending out alerts, is trading SPY. SPY is one of the most volatile ETFs, alongside with QQQ, SPX, /ES being futures. I love trading these. They have the best movements, and the spreads are awesome on it. A lot of volatility, and it's being traded basically 24/5 if you take that into consideration, alongside with trading futures and whatnot. So going into tomorrow's trading day and alongside the whole week, you guys, I'm going to be watching Shopify. Shopify made a huge move, and I was actually calling the bottom of Shopify. I think the other day, it was either on Wednesday, I called, one of the bottoms on Shopify. I was telling the whole group members to hold. We made about 120% return on our option contracts for Shopify. Unfortunately, I didn't hold this position, which I should have held it probably until Friday or even Thursday. We probably would have been up maybe about 500-600% in profits. But I was a little bit nervous seeing kind of a huge pullback here, and we were already down about 30, 40, 50%, on our contracts. And after this massive move happened, I think, like I said, we were up about 120%. I told the whole team to, sell their profits and collect them. But the main objective with Shopify, what I'm watching for, are these massive move breaks, right? So we had a massive move on this, what's called U-shaped pattern formation. Guys, this is kind of like a cup and handle pattern right here that we see on the daily time frame. We see that the CCI indicator is kind of overextended, obviously, towards the top, but we can still see more of a move towards the upside. Usually with these U-shaped pattern formations, on the daily time frame, we do see more of a move towards the upside. And I do believe we can see probably a 45, maybe $50 range for Shopify. And it's simply because we have so much more to move. This stock was once at $153. You got to keep that in mind as well, you guys. When you see a stock at a near high of 153 or 200 and it's trading around $40, the movements towards the upside could be huge. We have moves here, big move here on Shopify from 66 all the way soaring to $78. That's a $12 move in a single day. We've had moves here, that soared from 40 all the way to, 45, or actually, let's see, 40, what was that, 39 all the way to $46, $7 move. These are pretty big moves, especially on, I would say like a medium cap stock. I wouldn't even call this like a lower cap, probably a medium to large cap stock. We see a $5 move, you're making, 500-600% in options. If you're trading options in the market. Now, with equity, you'll make about, a good 8-9% if it moves $10 in a day. And again, near high was $153. I was telling everybody, at one point, we should start buying equity on Shopify around the $23-25 range. I was predicting the bottom of this. Unfortunately, I didn't get in. It's not that I hesitated. It's more like I'm actually looking to buy equity in the upcoming months, probably the next few months. I'm going to start buying up some equity maybe around February or March and seeing if the market, we can get another pullback in the market by January. But I think December is going to be a rally, and it's going to be an unexpected rally that everybody is really not expecting to happen, because everybody's like, oh, we're going to be bearish. But you guys, you have to understand, whatever bear market we have to see some type of bounce in the market. The market will never just fall and never have any type of bounce or any type of bull market for at least a month or two. So it's going to shock a lot of people. It's going to get people to, get FOMO and be like, oh my God, I should have bought the bottom of the market. But I don't think the bottom of the market is in place as of right now. So Shopify is going to be one of my main ones I'm going to be investing into long term. AMD is going to be another one. Amazon is going to be one of my favorites. You guys, Amazon's literally near the bottom. The bottom was 85. It's trading around 94. Amazon was once at $177. This could be literally 1 to 2, realistically maybe a 1x within the next year and a half to 2 years if you buy up equity. I think Amazon's going to be a great investment. I'm going to be investing, a good amount of my portfolio in, and NVIDIA is going to be another one. NVIDIA, again, similar situation, could be like another 1 to 2x of your money. Realistically, more of a 1x, so 100% return. Just buying up shares, guys, and doing nothing, sitting there doing nothing. PayPal is going to be one of my other favorites too, at a high of 200. Guys, 200, right now it's trading around $75. It's around 2x on your return. Because again, guys, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what anybody says. The market will never drop down to zero. For the past 50 years, trade the Warren Buffett strategy. The Warren Buffett strategy, guys, you have to be smart with that, because at the end of it, you will understand that the market within the next couple of years will recover. It will recover, and you will see a greater move towards the upside. You will see a bigger move towards the upside. With inflation, the markets will move higher, and that's usually what happens. During the 2008 recession, we recovered in, I believe, 2009. We started recovering. Every stock started recovering. Stocks started making new highs within the year to 2 year span. Your returns could have been easily 100 to 200%. And it's crazy because back then, the markets weren't as volatile as it is now. There's so many more traders now. There's so many more investors now that invest millions, if not billions of dollars into the market, pouring money into the market. So you guys, this is a time where I tell you, hey, use the Warren Buffett trading strategy, and buy up when everybody is greedy, that's when you want to buy. Or not when everybody's greedy. When everybody's greedy, that's when you're selling. When everybody's getting fearful and they're getting FOMO, that's when you want to start buying up. Selling and buying is two different obstacles you can come about, but how you do it, you guys, it's totally different story. And my suggestion, start investing into these stocks, either right now. Like I said, I have a game plan going into next year's trading year, and I think my game plan should work out. And if it doesn't, guys, I'm not going to get FOMO. If the market ends up hitting new highs, it's going to be unfortunate. It will be an investment opportunity of a loss. Not of a loss. It's just an investment opportunity that I could have taken advantage. But again, I might even consider start buying up PayPal, Amazon, all these stocks that are here at the near bottom, even Shopify. Oh my gosh, Shopify is probably one of my favorites. I think could be like a 3 to 4, 5x return within the next couple years. So this is going to be my main move, as far as equity buying. But if you want the safest investment, I think is going to be, the S&P 500. SPY has always recovered and has always made newer highs, in the past 20 years, you guys. I mean, we're talking about, 2019, not even 20 years, more than 20 years. We're talking about 1995, huge movement, massive fall, huge movement, massive fall during the recession. I mean, every time we've had some huge dot-com bubble here, I think in 2001 it was a dot-com bubble. Then we had the recession in 2008. Recovery going into 2009, 2010, and on and on. And then we had COVID here, which was an opportunity buy, followed by a massive recovery. Now, we're seeing this bear market, and everybody's like, market's going down to 200, 100. You guys know, with inflation and with the volatility in the markets, we could probably see, realistically around 340. This would be a range that we could see SPY drop down to by February or March. I think the lowest might be even 293 to 300, and followed by probably a massive bounce towards the upside, recovering for probably the next 5 to 6 years, even so on and so forth. This is going to be a one lifetime opportunity you definitely have to take advantage of. So guys, I hope this video was a little bit helpful to some of you guys going into tomorrow's trading day. Again, I have price levels of these levels right here is going to be my level. If we do not hover around this range pre-market tomorrow, we're going to see a drop to 403.30 and buy up some bounce for calls there, just because that is going to be a crucial level of support. If we see the market above this 407 range, 407.30s, we're going to buy up the bounce at 406.30 for a nice bounce for calls, seeing a movement probably upwards towards the 410 range, if not even probably 411.70, and a breakout possibly even to 420, which is going to be my ultimate price target before we see any type of drastic, huge fall back towards the downside. So anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure you like this video, click that subscribe button. Also, you guys, if you're interested, make sure you click that link in the bio. Come and join the Discord community. You guys can either join my free Discord, or you guys can come and join the VIP section. I am running a huge promo right now inside the VIP section. All you got to use is code BTA, all caps, for a 30% discount. Let's roll. Let's make this money, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's trading day.